These are the skills where life skills, very very important life skills we need to implement in our day to day life. So how to improve our life skills? Sir, all these are very good, then how can I improve these life skills? Means develop your interpersonal skills very first. Talk to you once every day, inspire yourself every day, then extend the same. See, there is a movie called Sultan. In that movie, one particular scene I do like very much. నిన్ను గెలిపించేది నిన్ను ఓడించేది నువ్వే. నా పైన గెలవాలంటే ఎదురుగా నేనే ఉండాలి, నేను గెలుచుకోవాలంటే ఎదురుగా నేనే ఉండాలి. సో యు ఆర్ ఫైటింగ్, యు ఆర్ ఛాలెంజింగ్, యు ఆర్ టేకింగ్ ఎవ్రీథింగ్ విత్ యూ ఓన్లీ. యు ఆర్ నాట్ కంపీటింగ్ విత్ అదర్స్. So every day there is a competition for you within you. So if you have such type of interpersonal skills, then automatically you can, and have a practice of having self-awareness. Keep learning every minute, every second, in every situation. And finally, hire a coach. Don't give money. Coach is there within you. There is a teacher in you, there is a student in you. The teacher is a coach, mentor, a path maker, a path shower. Your books are the greatest coach. Your life is the biggest coach. So enjoy your life. Be associated. Therefore in Telugu I studied a sentence. Ahara vihara swa adhyayana. Ahara vihara swa adhyayana. How to get a coach means, take a good food. Ahara, good food. Keeps you good thoughts. Vihara, and environment. So associate with society, associate with environment. It makes you learn. Next, swa adhyayana. Learn things through books, with experiences. Ahara vihara swa adhyayana. With that particular thing, we can learn many things. So, what are the other important things we have to implement in our family? See, life skills helps you in profession. Life skill helps you within you. Life skills helps you in your family also. Nowadays, all our families are becoming technology developed. Everyone is having a mobile phone, everyone is watching with mobile phone, everyone is talking with mobile phone. No one is talking to each other. No one is showing their friendship, no one is showing their love with other family members. That's why, be friendly and kind to all in your family. This is particularly for your family. Love your brothers and sisters. Show your love towards your parents. Don't just simply be there, really be there. Then only you can achieve the power of that love. And show your love and affection with others, and see, you just only show your love and affection with others without expecting anything in return. If you expect something in return, then that love is conditional love. So unconditional love we have to give. So love your parents without expecting, love your children without expecting, and that love ultimately makes you love. Okay, and finally, nowadays we missed one important thing, that is appreciating others, encouraging others, inspiring others. As we are talking a good talk, no, we are making a very good talk on life skills, which will be very helpful for us in our life. So why don't you appreciate me and YouTube? Why don't you appreciate yourself? If you really want to appreciate yourself, just give a like, just give a good comment, just share the things to others. This is appreciation. The same thing, if something good is happening in your family, if your wife cook something delicious food to you, you taste it and give a compliment. Yeah, it's good, fine. Then she has earned billions of money. That small compliment, appreciation from you towards your family members, it makes them so rich. The richest thing what a wife and children expects is a sort of compliment from the family members. We are the family, we are the educational family. Please give a small compliment. Yeah, you can follow constructive criticism, compliment. So if you find something lapse there, something other side of the things there, you give it in a constructive manner. Your interpersonal skills will improvise. So please cultivate the habit of appreciating. That's what we need to do. Then avoid them when they misbehave. Help them if you can. There are many people who misbehave. There are many people who deteriorates you. Please keep a filter. Avoid them. And also, if it is possible, if you find that they are bad, please try to avoid them in a polite manner. Yes, polite manner. Avoiding sometimes is very, very, very good. Very, very good. Okay. And next, Share the resources what you are having, accommodate them if there are a difference of opinions. See, if only through discussions we can achieve many things. So that discussion, sharing and pairing will make you learn many things in our life, those things we are supposed to attain in our life. And finally, a family which eats together, a family which sings together, a family which plays together, a family which are together are the happiest family in the life. So we need to give some time for common activities, for eating, common activity, for playing, enjoying, it's a common activity. We need to give small time. So have a few common activities. Love, play, dance, sing, eat, sleep, whatever you do in a common platform. So your interpersonal skills, so your life skills will be enriched. That's what we need to do. So encourage yourself with good communication, which brings harmony in the family and in the society. Finally, nowadays youth is missing this one. Youth is missing this important aspect, respecting money. They are just firing, they are just burning the money. Yeah, you burn money for some purpose, as a candle does. Candle is burning himself for giving light. So why are you burning your money? That means ఖర్చు పెట్టడం. So use your money with respect, with discipline. Implement it, then automatically that money will help you and others. If you don't respect your money, that money will definitely disrespect you. So try to respect, share, help, use, utilize with self-discipline towards money. Nowadays, entire globe is running towards this one, but that is only one side. The other side is it runs through ethics, it runs through values, it runs through the inner feelings of humanity. That is missing. Many of us see the only physical element called money, 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 but we are missing the entire concept called humanity. So the main essence of this talk at the end is life skills towards humanity, making ourselves a human being, real human being, participating in what is humanity is, participating in what is human being is. That's what we need to do. That